Hey, this is Alexis. Okay, so this video is gonna be on One Direction. Um, kind of everywhere. Okay, so this is gonna be a video of me basically fangirling over One Direction and telling you what I like about them. So Harry is my favorite personally because he is adorable. I love his hair. His personality seems amazing. Whatever. Then it is Louis. Louis is just amazing. He seems really funny, even though he's the oldest. He's really immature and he's amazing. Niall is just so cute and he likes eating, and so do I. And he's really, really, really cute. And then I like Zayn. Zayn is really hot and is pretty amazing. And Liam is cute. He's my favorite. I like them all equally, but like I like some more than others. And One Direction, I saw them in concert in Toronto at Air Canada Centre. Best concert ever. I cried the whole time. I was screaming. I had no voice the next day. It was pretty amazing. Um, I love them so much. If I could scream at the top of my lungs right now, I would. That's pretty much all I talk about. If you ask any of my friends, they'll keep telling me to shut up because I always talk about them. Yeah, my favorite song is probably One Thing, the acoustic version, and I love them so much. They're so perfect. It's not even possible for guys to be that sexy. Yeah, very cute. So that's all I have to say. I have lots more.